Want a quick, easy, delicious meal for the nights that you want to order in, but your wallet says do not order in? This is what you need. Let's get started with 1 tablespoon of butter. We're going to take 2 to 3 chicken breasts and we're going to cut those up into bite-sized pieces. Get them into your pan and start cooking them. As we're cooking them, we're going to add in 1/4 cup of chopped onions. Get everything cooked. You want to cook that chicken all the way through. Get those onions nice and translucent. And then we're going to add in 1 can of cream of chicken soup and 1/2 cup of milk. Get that well combined. You want to bring it up to kind of like a high simmer. Let's go ahead and we're going to add in some black pepper and salt if you like. I went ahead and just added in black pepper. Continue to cook that. I like it nice and thick. If you'd like it a little bit thinner, you can just add some more milk in. Once it looks like this, absolutely beautiful and delicious, I want you to either cook up some Pillsbury Crescent dough or go to Sam's Club and get their delicious Crescent rolls. Add this on top and you have an absolutely easy, quick, delicious comfort food meal that your kids are going to absolutely love. You can also serve it over mashed potatoes. Everyone's going to love it. And give it a try and let me know what you think. I'm excited to hear. Give me all the likes, love, and hype if you can too.